knee. My knee has been troubling me ever since I crossed 50. That is why my son brought this for me. Wow, I can't believe it. All my muscle pain and stiffness is gone. And it fits in beautifully well because of universal strap. This is UNIQ Knee Massager by UltraCare Pro. It has heat compression and vibration massage that makes the joint muscles active and improves blood circulation for joint pain relief. You can switch between 3 levels of heating, low, medium and high, for personalized warmth and comfort. Enjoy targeted relief with 3 vibration massage modes, low, medium and high. Smart LED control ensures effortless operation at your fingertips. Rechargeable Type-C battery lasts up to 10 days for uninterrupted use. Order today from ultracarepro.in.